Hi guys, so I started out on my last video with this on my screen. It was the banners for an animated quote box in your teacher pay teacher shop. They call these gifts. If I even said that right, like I said previously, I am a self-taught entrepreneur. I'm just a teacher. Actually, I kind of said that wrong. I'm not just a teacher, I am a teacher. I am also a self-made entrepreneur who does teacher stuff as a side job. So in this, I am actually going to show you how to make a animated GIF for your teacher pay teacher quote box. If you are not a teacher pay teacher seller and you have no idea what I'm talking about, you probably need to go to some earlier videos or go Google that. And you may not want to watch this because you're not ready for this. All right, so if you are a teacher pay teacher seller, this is an animated quote box I created using PowerPoint. So I am actually going to provide you with this file. Hopefully, YouTube will let me stick it on there without having all these stipulations. The sizing will be included. Even the color of the back of this is the color of your quote banner section. I'll go ahead and show you. Let's see if I can. Right here. See this part? Welcome to my store. Click on the green star to follow me. See how it's the exact same color? Yep. Okay. So let's go back. Oh. Huh. All right. So what I did was I created the sizing, created the backdrop to match that grayish color. And then I went in here and I put these in here. And this is my colors that I use. I'll show you my shop branding. I've been working on my shop all summer. Let's get that off of there. Skedat. All right. So I've tried to bring my shop in mainly the same colors as these type deals. I did leave my chalkboard stuff the same, but I've been working on it all summer to get the branding colors, and I updated my sections here, my banner and my rolling animated quote box. So how I made those was in PowerPoint. And so basically all I did was I kept right clicking and duplicating the slide. If you don't right click over here and duplicate the slide, what you're going to end up with, if you try to control C and control V it, like copy paste it, you're going to end up with a white background on one of them. I don't know why it does that, but you will, and it'll screw it up whenever you put it on your thingy majiggy. All right, so I'm going to get rid of that extra one. So what you do when you get it created, very simple. I do make these. If you are interested, please do contact me. You can email me at barnettkc1@gmail.com, or you can contact me on Teachers Pay Teachers, or you can click on my rolling banner in my quote box and it'll take you straight to my blog and you can contact me from there. So feel free to comment below too. What you do is go to File, our favorite word, Export, right here. Are you kidding me? I just did the wrong thing. Oh, I can't read. Animated GIF. Animated GIF is going to be what you are going to pick. I do that all the time. I think I'm just looking for GIF or rolling GIF, and I don't ever see animated. So you're going to click animated GIF or GIF. I don't care, whatever you want to call it. GIF. Leave the quality. I always do like 4 seconds per slide, and then you're going to give it a name. I'm going to put test on this so I know it was for this section, this video, and I'm going to export it. Okay. Now that has saved to my desktop, and what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and show you how to put it on Teachers Pay Teachers. You'll go to your Teachers Pay Teachers. You're going to go to your account. Oh, my bad. You're going to go to your image there. My account, not your account balance. And you're going to go to Store Profile. Now, this is where your GIF will be, your animated section here. And you're going to go down here and click Edit. leave it as image or link, and this will be where you'll choose your file. I don't even put any text here because it'll be on top of your, it'll appear when someone hovers over it. I don't, that must have been before when things were like before they were or updated. So I choose the file, which I already have. It's here. The same thing we just made. And right here is where you can select a URL that your image is going to link to. And mine actually goes to my blog, which is where people can contact me and get some work done. Okay. Or if you need help with your Teacher Pay Teacher Shop and you need some coaching advice, just ask me. I love to help. All right, so you're going to hit save. I didn't do anything, but I'm still going to hit save. And then when you get done, you can see it here. I had all kinds of issues, some because I had a white background. The color would change on one of them. One of the letters was missing out of the word click. And, you have your ups and downs when you're doing something new. But yes, once I learned this, I actually didn't learn about it in PowerPoint until May of this year. So I was like, what? Because I was doing it where I was going to another website that would hold the images for me and make it rotate. I didn't even realize you could do that in PowerPoint, and it's fantastic. So I hope that I was able to help you all a little bit with that. And I hope that you get your rolling banner going. It's fun. All right. Talk to you soon.